In this tutorial, we'll explain how to create an online project and manage video streams. Once in the main menu, click on New Project at the top left. A window will appear allowing you to select the type of project you want to create. In this case, select Offline Project and click OK. You'll be prompted to select a folder on your computer where the project will be saved. Choose your desired folder and click Save. The project window will then open automatically. On the left-hand side, you'll see up to 4 panels to select the video streams you want to work with, depending on your license. Click on any of the panels to open a new window where you can select the video you want to work with. Select the video and click Open. A new window will appear asking if you want to duplicate the video or use the original video. If you select Duplicate Video, Azor Match Analysis will automatically create a copy of the selected video in the project folder, allowing you to work on the duplicate without altering the original file. If you choose Use the original video, the system will work directly with the original file. Repeat this process for all the video sources you want to use. Now let's see how to delete or modify a source. Right-click on the source you want to edit, and 2 options will appear. Remove Source. This will clear the selected source, leaving the panel empty. Select New Source. This option will reopen the file browser, allowing you to choose a new video. Follow us for more content and stay up to date with all the latest features of your sports analysis software.